Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 4 different ways to locate the numbers application on the Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as the numbers application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, search for the numbers application. There we have it on screen. Enter to open up the application. We can then go on to choose a template and create a document. Let's now quit numbers for the moment. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Locate the numbers application. There we have it. Let's now quit numbers again. Now let's go all the way down to the dock again. Go to find application. Let's go to applications. Let's locate the numbers application. There we have it. Enter to open up the application or double click. And there we have it. We can now choose a template, quit numbers. Let's now use Command and Shift for a spotlight search. Numbers application. Enter to open up the application. So that's 4 different ways to locate the numbers application. We can now quit numbers. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.